What if I told you there's a natural drink, so simple yet so powerful, that it can melt stubborn belly fat in just 7 days? No strict dieting, no exhausting workouts, just a daily cup that transforms your body from within. Imagine waking up lighter, your waistline shrinking, your energy soaring like never before. This secret has been used for centuries in traditional remedies, but today, I'm revealing it step by step. And the best part? All the ingredients are in your kitchen right now, waiting to help you unlock rapid fat burning. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to prepare this miracle recipe. Let me show you step by step how to prepare this powerful recipe so you can start your transformation today. First, take a piece of fresh ginger, peel it carefully, and get ready to unlock its incredible fat-burning properties. Ginger naturally curbs your appetite while boosting your immune and digestive systems. It doesn't just help you feel lighter, it also energizes your body from the inside out. Now, grate the peeled ginger with a fine grater to release its active compounds into your drink. Because ginger is low in calories and high in benefits, it's the perfect ally for natural fat loss. Next, grab a fresh lemon. This citrus fruit will supercharge the recipe's effects. Use a grater to collect the zest, which is packed with antioxidants and fat-melting compounds. Once grated, the lemon zest is ready to boost digestion and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Now, squeeze out the juice of one whole lemon to add a refreshing and detoxifying kick. Lemon juice breaks down stubborn, stored fat while cleansing your body from toxins. It also reduces appetite naturally and fires up your metabolism for faster fat burning. Take an empty cup and let's begin combining the ingredients. Pour in hot water first to create the perfect base for your fat-burning tea. Add the freshly grated ginger and let its warmth blend with the water. Now sprinkle in the lemon zest for an instant burst of refreshing flavor. Finally, add the lemon juice, bringing balance, freshness, and detox power. Mix everything together thoroughly, so all the nutrients can merge into one healing drink. Cover the cup and let it rest for 5 minutes so the ingredients can fully release their goodness. After that, strain the mixture with a colander and your slimming drink is ready to enjoy. Remember, this amount is enough for one day, so prepare it fresh for maximum results. If you like make a bigger batch, and store it in the refrigerator for convenience. Now, add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to increase satiety and slow down hunger pangs. These tiny seeds keep you feeling full for hours and accelerate your weight loss journey naturally. Next, drop in a few mint leaves to refresh your drink and calm digestion. You can use either fresh mint or dried mint. Both work wonders for your metabolism. Now add a pinch of cinnamon to boost fat burning and regulate blood sugar. Ground cinnamon is perfect for this recipe, bringing warmth, flavor, and health benefits. Cover the cup once more for 5 minutes and allow the flavors to blend beautifully. Here's how to use the recipe for best results. Follow this carefully for a full transformation. Drink 1 hot cup every morning before breakfast to kickstart your fat-burning process. It's best to take it 30 minutes before eating, so your body absorbs all its benefits. From the very first day, you'll notice changes as your belly starts to feel lighter and slimmer. With daily use, belly fat begins to vanish, revealing a flatter, healthier stomach. For optimal results, keep drinking it for 7 days and watch your body transform. Results may vary from person to person, depending on how much fat your body carries. And also on how quickly your metabolism works, but the drink supports everyone's fat burning. Still, you'll notice visible progress within just the first few days of use. If you are obese, drink 2 cups a day to accelerate your weight loss journey safely. Continue for a full month if needed, and enjoy consistent, powerful results. By then, even the most stubborn fat will have disappeared from your body. Don't forget to support this video by clicking like. It motivates us to share more natural remedies. Thank you for watching, and may your journey to health and fitness be successful.